Ever heard pirates had parrots that knew secret treasure locations? Yeah, that's not true. Movies make it seem like every pirate had a parrot, whispering secrets about gold and hidden maps. But reality? Most pirates couldn't even afford a parrot. Parrots weren't sidekicks. They were souvenirs. Sailors brought them home just to show off. Like, look what I got! A bird that says nonsense, and absolutely nothing about treasure. So no, parrots weren't giving directions, no secret codes, no hidden map clues. And here's the wild part. Most pirates actually preferred monkeys, cats, even rats. Less squawking, way more chaos. So yeah, parrots weren't treasure guides. They were basically the 1700s version of flexing on Instagram. Be honest, you'd still want the parrot, right?